Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss the problem Ada King, right? So let us first read the question. So the question says, Saif Ada is training her calculation skills. She wants to place a king and some obstacle on a chessboard, right? In such a way that the number of distinct cells the king can reach is exactly k. Recall that a chessboard has 8 rows and 8 columns numbered 1 through 8. Let's denote a cell in row R and column C by R, C. In one move, a king can move to any adjacent cell which shares a side or corner with its current cell and does not contain an obstacle, right? More formally, a king in a cell R, C can move to any cell Rn, Cn if Rn, Cn is a valid cell of the chessboard. That is, valid means Rn, Cn cannot go outside the chessboard, right? This is all about the valid, and which does not contain an obstacle, and r minus rn square plus c minus cn square less than equal to 2. This condition has to be satisfied, right? A cell x comma y can be reached by a king if after an arbitrary number of moves including 0 the king is in the cell x comma y, right? Help Ada find any valid configuration of the board such that the king can reach exactly k distinct cells. It is guaranteed that such a configuration always exists. If there are multiple solutions, you may find any one, right? So let us also see the input format. The input format says the first line of the input contains a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The description of t test cases follows. The first and only line of each test case contains a single integer k. That is, we have to allow up to k cell, right, for king to move on. And for output, what we have to print for each test case, print 8 lines describing a chessboard, each containing 8 characters. For each valid I and j, the jth character on the ith line should be one of the following. Capital O, if the cell I comma j contains the king, there should be exactly one such cell. It means that we have to print 0 of the in the cell where king is initially, right? And capital X if the cell I comma j contains an obstacle, and dot if the cell I comma j is empty, right? The constraint for this problem are t, that is the number of test cases, can be up to 64, and k, that is the number of cell which we have to allow for king to move on, can be up to 64, right? So let us try to understand the input which is given to us. So here 4 is the number of test case, and for each test case we have given a number k, right? So for k equal to 1, as we can see, this is the only position where Saif can move, right? And this is the initial position of Saif also. In any of these cells, Saif can't go because all the adjacent cells are blocked. So he can't go from this cell to any other cell, right? So let us try to understand king can where king can go, right? So let us see that. So here, if I comma j is the position of, this is the 8 cross 8 chessboard, right? So if I comma j is the position of king, so Saif can go all these 8 adjacent cells, right? If they don't have any obstacle, right? So this is the I minus 1 comma j cell, this is I plus 1 comma j cell, this is I comma j minus 1 cell, this is I comma j plus 1 cell, this is I minus 1 comma j minus 1 cell, this is I plus 1 comma j minus 1 cell, this is I minus 1 comma j plus 1 cell, and this is I plus 1 comma j plus 1 cell. These are the adjacent cells where Saif can go from I comma j, and this is all about this condition. This is all about this condition, right? R minus Rn square plus C minus Cn square less than equal to 2, right? So let us try to find a logic to solve this problem, right? So if you try to build some logic, one of the possible way for choosing the cell for where Saif can go is simply we will start from 1 comma 1 and allow up to k cells, right, for king to move on, and then block all other cells. That is, we will block 8 into 8 minus k cells, that is 64 minus k cells we will block, and remaining k cells we will allow king to move on, right? And we will start allowing from 1 comma 1, and until k cells we will allow king to move on, right? So this is the basic logic for this question. I think the question is very simple and straightforward. So following up this method, let us try to understand this input k equal to 5, right? So for k equal to 5, the initial position of Saif is 1 comma 1, right? And we will allow up to k cells, that is, we will allow up to 5 cells. So Saif can go to all these cells, right? since these are adjacent cell. So from 1 comma 1 safe can go to 1 comma 2, from 1 comma 2 safe can go to 1 comma 3, from 1 comma 3 safe can go to 1 comma 4, and from 1 comma 4 safe can go to 1 comma 4. So all these 5 cells safe can go, right? And all other these cells, that is 64 minus 5, that is 59 cells. In 59 cells safe can't go, because if he try to go from here to here, he can't go because it contains obstacle, right? So following up that method, this is the one of the valid configuration for king to move on, right? So let us try to understand one another example for k equal to 15. Here for k equal to 15 also, the initial position of safe is 1 comma 1, and up to 15 cells we will allow king to go on, right? And all other cells, that 64 minus k cells, we will block, right? So this is one of the valid configuration of the chess board for k equal to 15, right? So same for k equal to 64, we have to allow all the cells for king to move on, because 8 cross 8 is equal to 64 and k equal to 64. So we have to allow all the cells for king to move on, right? So this is the only valid configuration for k equal to 64. There is no other configuration for k equal to 64, right? So let us see the solution, that is the code for this problem statement, right? So for each test case we are taking the input as k, and we have defined a matrix, 2D matrix of 8 cross 8, right? And we will run a loop for I equal to 0 to 8 for the rows, and for the columns we will run a loop from j equal to 0 to j less than 8. And what we will do, we will allow until k is greater than 0, right? So if k is greater than 0, and for the simplicity we are assuming that the cell 1 comma 1 is the initial position of the king, right? So we will check if I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. So we will say that this cell is going to be the initial position of king, right? And all other safe can go, right? And we will reduce k by minus 1. We will reduce k by 1, right? Else if k has become 0, so we have to block all other cells. So we are here blocking all other cells, and here we are printing the configuration, right? So let us run the code for the given test case, which is given to us, right? So as you can see here, so this is the output for the first test case. Since k equal to 1, so only at 1 comma 1 for indexing as 1, so only 1 comma 1 will allow king to move on, right? And all other cells are blocked, so safe can't go from 1 comma 1 to any other cells, right? For the second input for k equal to 5, so this is the valid configuration. We have also seen while discussing the input k equal to 5, right? For k equal to 9, here we are allowing 9 cells for king to move on, and we are blocking all other cells, right? And for k equal to 64, we have to allow all the cells, right? So these are the configuration for the given test case, right? There may be some other configurations also, so we have to print any of the configuration, right? Any of the valid configuration. So these are all the valid configuration for the given test case. I hope you have understood the solution of this question. Thank you.